holiday season is one of the busiest times for many owner-operators, but it also brings harsh road conditions and frigid temperatures that can impact your truck. That's why winterizing your truck is so important to keeping your business running smoothly. Today we will be going over 7 important tips for winterizing your semi-truck. Check your battery and electrical systems. Cold weather tends to reduce a battery's capacity. Make sure the battery is securely mounted, has no corrosion, and all connections are clean and tightened. Also check electrical wiring for damage and the alternator and starter for corrosion and frays. If your truck is equipped with a master voltage cutoff switch, make sure you shut off the voltage if the truck is going to sit for more than a day. For Freightliners, the master voltage cutoff switch is located on the driver's side back of the cab on 2021 builds and newer. For Internationals, the master voltage cutoff switch is located on the driver's side inside of the cab by the driver's seat on the 2021 builds and newer. Make sure the optimized idle system is armed when you are parked. This system will monitor the tractor voltage and start the truck as required. Look over the fuel filter and water separator. The air in the winter may be drier, but the risk of moisture building up in your fuel tank is year-round. Check that the fuel filter is in good condition and consider changing it before winter starts. Continue to drain your fuel water separator at each fueling. Install an electric block heater. Diesel engines can be significantly harder to start in cold weather. Most newer trucks will have an engine block heater, which warms the engine and fluids beforehand to avoid harsh cold starts. Consider installing an electric block heater if you don't already have one, especially if you spend a lot of time driving through cold regions. Always remember to unplug the heater before cranking the engine. Inspect the cooling system. Your truck's cooling system is always at work, even in the dead of winter. Check the freeze point and chemical concentration of the antifreeze to ensure your coolant system is primed to withstand colder temperatures. Prepare your windshield. Check that your windshield wipers are free of any cracks or splits and get a replacement if they're not. Top off your windshield wiper fluid and make sure you're using a formula with freeze protection. Check your tires. Worn, damaged, or underinflated tires can struggle to gain traction in snow and ice. Check that your tires are in good condition and filled to the recommended PSI. You may also want to pack a set of tire chains, especially if you plan on driving through any states where they are required. Pack an emergency kit. There's no way to guarantee you won't run into issues down the road. Having an emergency kit on hand can make all the difference if you ever find yourself stalled or stranded. We recommend packing extra warm clothes and blankets, a pair of winter boots, a first aid kit, flashlight and batteries, non-perishable food and water bottles, a snow shovel, and flares. Now that you know how to winterize your truck, it's time to put these tips to use. We recommend getting started early to avoid any potential delays at the shop or waiting for parts. SFI helps owner-operators prepare for the unexpected with 24/7 emergency roadside assistance and maintenance accounts that can help you save for planned and unplanned repairs. Check us out at sfitrucks.com or give us a call at 800-521-5859 to find the truck for you.